Hi, I'm Gary and we're out at Peel, just out of 20 k's out of Bathurst, north of Bathurst. Okay, around the home we use energy for air conditioning, swimming pool pump, electric fences to control the stock and pumping water. We first thought about buying solar to reduce our bill and to be more self-sufficient down the track, and I suppose to be a bit more energy conscious. We use quite a bit of electricity to power all the equipment around here, so we wanted to reduce the amount of bill we actually had to pay. Solar filled that void and gave us the ability to reduce our bill. We put it onto our garage workshop area. It's on the north facing side of the shed, and we get sun or solar production from about 7 o'clock in the morning to about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night. The shed gives me extra room to expand. All the equipment is then in one spot away from the house. We did have solar system on the roof before, but that we had issues with the roof. Got the roof replaced and thought, well, got plenty of shed space, so put it out there. No more issues and expansion. Did a fair bit of research on the web, looking at what panels were around. Also recommendations from our supplier of which panel to go to. We wanted production throughout the day, the higher capacity panel and more capacity in low light for winter use. They've been going very well. Peak outage is about maximum of 45 kilowatts for a day. They have gone well in the rainy conditions as well. They drop a fair bit, but that was expected. But they still are producing during low light and overcast skies and rain. It's doing what I expected of it. The system works very well and is keeping our power bills down.